Wow, this place is beautiful. It feels so fancy.
It really does.
It smells amazing in here.
Our most famous dish is the truffle risotto. Many guests come here just for that dish.
Then we should try it.
Yes.
Let's order the truffle risotto.
I want to know if it is really that special. Me too. It's taking a long time. Yes.
Please be patient. Good restaurants are often busy.
I'm trying. The restaurant is very busy.
It is famous, so it is crowded.
Wow, that sounds amazing, Emma.
I know. I know they are waiting.
No! I said the other one! Fine. I will do it myself. Send it. Nye. Wine.
It looks perfect. What is it? It looks nice, but something is wrong.
It's a little salty.
No, it still isn't quite right. We need to start over, I think. Okay.
I understand.
Really?
Sometimes food looks beautiful, but it still has a mistake.
Excuse me. Did you say there is a mistake in my dish?
My daughter was only being honest. The risotto is beautiful, but it is a little too salty.
This is our signature dish. People come here to eat it.
I understand, but today, it is too salty.
Perhaps your family does not understand this kind of food.
My family understands taste, and my daughter can say what she feels.
A child cannot judge a dish like this.
She can judge if it tastes good to her.
That is not the same thing.
Maybe not. But food is still meant to be eaten. I am saying a cook should listen when something goes wrong.
That is enough. Please lower your voices. The title is Dish of the Year. I tasted the risotto too. And tonight, it is not your best work, chef. So here is my suggestion. This weekend, the two of you will cook here in this restaurant. 3 rounds. 1 winner. The winner will receive the feature article. The dish, the chef, and the story will appear on the front page.
Wait. I'm not a professional chef.
That may be true. But now let the food speak too. Hi. Or you can say no. That would be easier.
Then I will do it. Yes.
Good. Be ready. Be ready.
His kitchen is huge. His dishes are famous. And I just cook here.
You do more than that. You do more than that. You cook for us.
And your food is always the best. Especially when I'm hungry.
Thank you. But I still feel nervous.
He is a real chef. And you are a real cook. That matters too.
We can practice tomorrow. I can taste everything. Of course you can. Hurrah! Then tomorrow we start.
Chef Mom begins tomorrow.
We need ideas. Tell me your favorite dishes.
Mine is from Italy. Then you go first. My favorite Italian dish is spaghetti carbonara. What is in it? Pasta, cheese, egg, and bacon. And how does it taste?
Warm. Creamy.
Peter just loves pasta. Yes. Peter just loves pasta. Yes. My favorite Japanese dish is chicken teriyaki.
Tell me about it.
It has chicken and sauce. The sauce is sweet and salty. I like it with rice.
And the chicken?
Soft and juicy. Yes, sweet, salty, soft, juicy.
Your turn.
My favorite Indian dish is butter chicken.
What is in it?
Chicken, butter, tomato sauce, cream, and spices.
Is it spicy?
A little.
But not too much.
Rich and warm. Please remember that name, everyone. I will ask you again at the end. These dishes are wonderful. But the contest is different.
Chef Marcel is fast. He is skilled. He works in a famous kitchen every day.
That is true.
That is true, but you cook wonderful food every day too.
At home, not in front of a crowd.
Wait, I have an idea.
Where is she going? Don't worry, she'll be back soon.
There, now you look brave.
Brave?
Yes.
Like a secret chef.
I have to say, it is memorable.
I look ridiculous.
No.
You look strong. Thank you. Perfect. It's just perfect.
Oh, wow.
Can I try it? Here you go, Peter. Try some.
It's delicious.
Taste it, taste it.
Wow. This is really good.
Everything tastes wonderful.
Mom, we are going to win.
Let's not say that too fast. Chef Marcel is still a very strong chef.
That is true. But you are strong too.
And now you are ready.
I hope so. I just want to do my best.
Welcome. Today, we have 3 rounds.
Con esto es lo que nos dediquemos. Por eso variar.